Hello friends, Keshia here. I am getting ready for a new vlog series, and as I was preparing to put everything out for my videos, I thought I would just show you guys behind the scenes of what I am bringing together, because everything is content. And here we are getting ready for the vlog series, and these are the items that I will be showcasing over the next several videos. I hope you guys will join me. Turn on your notifications, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so, and make sure you come along and join me here in the garden, behind the scenes, at the dining room table. So stay blessed and beautiful, friends. I will see you in the next few videos. Bye.